welcome to Judy's Cooking 360. So today we're going to make some chicken sandwiches. One is going to be fried and one is going to be grilled. I have my trusted little griddle here. But what we want to do is put a little seasoning on our chicken breast. So I have here, this is at least 6 pieces, could be a little bit more. And I'm adding some baking soda. Now guys, this is your tenderizer. This is gonna make it so tender, okay? That's why I'm putting it on first. Just a teaspoon of baking soda, okay? Rub that in. And then we're gonna add just about a tablespoon of soy sauce. And just a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Because we're gonna make our flour batter and we're gonna add some to that also. We're gonna add about a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Rub that in as we go. A half a teaspoon of black pepper. And that's it for now. And we're just gonna set this aside for a minute. You're gonna see how easy this is. Set this aside for a minute. And then we're gonna do our batter. Now I'm gonna put a cup and a half of flour. About a quarter cup of cornstarch. Just enough to give it that little crunch on there. And a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. A half a teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. And a teaspoon of garlic. And a teaspoon of onion powder. So we have garlic powder and onion powder. Now this is what we're gonna put our chicken in just before we fry it or grill it. Okay, so this I'm making up. Let's get ready to fry our chicken. So now we're going to fry our and also grill some of our chickens. Ooh, that's hot. I also added a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning to my batter. Put them in, give them a good press. Let's do 3. Give it a really good press in my batter. Let's put this here. Press it again. We want it to be really, really. Let's just drop this in. There we go. Alrighty. Now, for our goodness, go ahead and put them on top. Okay, there we go. Now you want this to fry and have a nice brown color. Do not disturb your chicken. Give it a couple of minutes there first, and then you can turn them. Okay guys, so now my chicken is fully cooked. We're gonna make ourselves some sandwiches. We have our buns here. Let's just go ahead and put some mayo on. Now, which one do you guys want me to try? But I'll go ahead. And make both of them. So, first let's put some lettuce. Let's see, you're the bottom. Let's turn it this way. And some pickles here. And I want to put, let's try this one. Let's add that. And then we put our tomato on top. And then we're gonna slice that in a minute. Let's do our other one. Okay, here we go. Let's turn you like this. And we're gonna add a nice big one. Look at that, guys. Look at those grill marks on here. Let's put the pretty side up. Oh, let's do some pickles here, on here. And add a nice slice of tomato. Now that's what we're talking about, guys. Take a look at that. Let's open them up. Open them up. Look at this, guys. Look how juicy that chicken is. Can you see that? And that's the grilled one. And now this is the fried one. Look at how juicy that one is also. That is delicious. Fully cooked. Always get you a tray with the foil underneath to catch any oil dripping so that they can cool down easily and be ready to eat. Thank you guys for watching Judy Cooking 360. See you guys next time. Make them and try them, guys. You don't want to miss out on these nice looking sandwiches, do you?